Hey everyone, Dustin from Murphy Wall Beds Manitoba here. We know you guys started looking at wall beds online and they look great. We just want to take you through a few of the features of things you might not be able to see and you should look out for when you're going to make that purchase. So the Real Murphy comes with an aluminum frame, mitered corners for extra strength. We got extra bracing on the inside here. And it also comes with a patented leg design. Both legs are tied together, easy to use, they come out together. Most wall beds will have independent legs on either side. It also gives us lots of strength side to side and vertically. And then we also have low tech. We got up to 9 springs on either side. More can be added if needed depending on the style of mattress you like to use. Most wall beds you see out there come with a piston. Pistons can fail over time, bed can drop. It's very unsafe. And your wall bed should be able to balance here so that anybody, young or old, can use it and no risk of injury. When you're looking at a wall bed, you want to make sure it has enough support in the right areas. Our wall bed has a 2-inch support in the front, has a 15-inch headboard across the back, and a 6-inch brace in the back here to support all the springs where all your torque is as these beds are going up and down for the lifetime. Something else I'd like to show you that seems like a small thing, but it's really important in how your bed is put together. And that's how these headboards and braces get put together. Most furniture wall beds come with holes drilled into the wood and then the screws put in there. Ours come with a brass fitting that's glued in where we put this. And this gets screwed in. Put that on. This gets tightened up, locks it in over the life of the bed. Things are moving and rocking. This is much stronger, holds better. You can imagine if that's just in the wood, things can wear out over time and flex and eventually fall apart. So that beautiful wall bed you see online like this doesn't come like this. It comes like this in boxes and in packs of hardware. You can put it together yourself. It's not rocket science, but sometimes having a professional do it sets your mind at ease when you lose that bolt that rolls under the couch or into the vent and you just don't have what it takes to finish the job. The wall bed's important that they're balanced so that there's no rubbing. The doors can open and close quickly. Even in our showroom here, our floor is not even, so we had to put in some shims just to keep everything square and level. And we also had the benefit of putting in our baseboard after, but you're either gonna have to notch out the bed or the baseboard so that it fits nice. And I have never met a wall yet that's straight and level. So there's different things that can go wrong that we don't often consider when we wanna put up that beautiful wall bed. Hey, thanks so much for watching. I hope this has been helpful. As you can see, there's lots of things to consider when you're buying online, things you don't always think about. Not all beds are created equal, and now you've met the Real Murphy.